So what's up guys, this is your boy SATech here. Today I'm going to do my top 5 features of the Samsung Galaxy Sport smartwatch / tracker and why you should buy it. So my number one feature is the design. I love the design. It's all black, like it's almost like a good metal grey design. It looks very stylish and very neat. Now if you have the perfect strap for it, like I do, like I have this mesh strap, honestly it looks like one of the best straps ever. Literally, it does look amazing. Now I had multiple people come to me and saying what watch I have, where they get the watch from, it's very stylish, how much you pay for it, and they don't know if it's a smartwatch. They think it's like a watch from a popular brand like Fossil, like all that type. Even Armani, someone said to me, is that Armani watch? I go, no, it's a Samsung. So that's number one. Number two is this wheel. This wheel is the best wheel ever, literally. So if you got water on this, or you're wearing gloves, and you need to see notification or whatnot, literally you can scroll this wheel left to right and you can do anything. So if you scroll to left, I can see all my notifications. Go to right, I can see how much calorie burn, how much steps I done, my heart rate, activity hours, my activities, so on and so on. You can customize as well and so on. Literally, so if you're running and you got notification, swipe to the left and you see it. If you want to check how much steps you done, swipe to the right, you see it. See how much calories you burn, swipe to the right and you can see it. That's why I love this watch. It's versatile. It's not like dependent on display. Samsung have thought this out very well. Number 3 for mine is the display. The display is one of the best in the market by far. This Samsung OLED display is a 1.2 inch display. Let me just bring this down so you may be able to see this bit better. That's better. Like, it's one of the best display on the market, literally is. So when I got this watch, I had a Fitbit before this and the display was okay, but as soon as I got this watch, it was much more clear, much more definition, to the text, to the picture, to everything. So if I just scroll for you now, left to right, so click on steps. I know it's hard to pick up the camera, but honestly it's one of the best display by far on the market. So let me just try to sort this out. Okay, that's the best one we get. But honestly, trust me when I say this, Samsung do make one of the best display, and I got to get a point for that. Another thing I like about this watch is the waterproof. So here is me doing a demonstration of the waterproof, and by making it up to 50 meters, literally you could take this watch anywhere. It's even soak proof, so literally you can take this watch anywhere. And my last point why I like this watch, it may be my personal opinion, but I got to say, the battery life is amazing on this. Like, even I have the heart rate on, like literally that's on all the time. You can set that to different settings, but that's on every time. The battery lasts me a whole day. Now if you don't have the on and you leave the on for every 10 minutes, you get 2 days battery life. If you turn the heart rate off completely off and you just want to like a smartwatch, at least 5 days of battery life. So I got to say, the battery life is amazing on this watch. Literally right now it's on 76% and I've been using it all day. So it's still got another day left of battery life. So if you leave the heart rate on, you get anywhere between a day to 2 days heart rate on every 10 minutes, about 2 to 3 days off, about 5 days of battery life. So hope you like this video. That's my top 5 reason why I like this smartwatch. If you did like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video.